Hi, I'm Pat Spann, and I own Pat's Place here in Americus. We're participating in the GSW Day of Giving this year. It's on Thursday, September 10th. We did it last year, and it was a real boost to our daily sales for that day. We gave 10% of our sales for that day from all of the lunch business, from 11 to 3. And we're going to do that again this year. I think it's important that we participate in this kind of thing because GSW has been a real important part of this community for us. We've been here for 40 years and relied on students and faculty and staff and other employees from the university, and as well as the city depends on GSW. My interest is continuing in business, and small businesses in America are dependent on the population, and thank goodness for GSW. I'm sure without GSW, I know GSW is probably the biggest employer, maybe other than the hospital, and I can't imagine what the town would be like without the university being here. So it's real important to me to do whatever I can to support this university here, and hopefully it stays here for a very long time, like hopefully we stay here for a very long time. We're participating again this year on Thursday the 10th of September by giving 10% of our sales during lunch from 11 to 3, just like we did last year. And this 10% is going to go to the Griffin Bell Conference Center renovation. And I think that's a good place for it to go because I figure that what goes on down there is conferences and meetings and bringing people together, not only from this community, but from other communities, which brings in people into the town, and they spend money here and other places in town. So I think it's a win-win for us and for the university as well. So please come. Thursday, September 10th, come to lunch, come for a late lunch. We have in-house dining now. We have limited number of seats, so we ask that you call us and make a reservation, and we'll save you a table. Or you can give us a call and get takeout, and we've got a drive-through. You call, we get it ready, you drive up to the front door, and we've got somebody that'll bring it out to you. All this goes towards the sales for that day, which 10% of go to the university. So we hope to see you here. Thank you for your support all year long, but especially on that day, it'd be great.